Mocha, look, here's some presents. There's some presents. But not for you, you have to wait. You got your stocking at home. Hold on, wait. No, we don't live there. We don't know those people. I don't think they want to know us either. On our latest adventure of raising Mocha, we're going to be going again our annual Christmas light tour. However, this year we have our really good friends Shannon and Brian. Last year with COVID, we weren't able to go with them. It was just Moki and Con and I. But now this year, she's going to be joining us on our adventure. So why don't you come along with us and we'll see our sights and see Christmas lights and we'll show you our favorites. All right, we'll talk to you later. Well, we're at our very first house. Mocha's really excited because he's been doing Mocha stuff in the car. So we're gonna go over there and take a look. Come on, Mocha, let's go. Oh, wow, Shannon, look at that. Isn't that pretty?
Very. I love the blue and green better.
Me too.
Yeah.
Me too. So pretty, so pretty. I don't know if I'd like to have the green though. You see the puppy? You see the puppy? Hello, Mr. Christmas.
Say hello, Mr. Christmas. Say hello, Mr. Christmas.
All right, this is the one we had last year.
Hello, Mr. Christmas.
Okay.
If you want another tune, please say it, or say goodnight.
Jingle bells.
Jingle bells, laughing all the way. Ho, 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 ho.
Aww.
I like these.
I got a hug. Mocha, you want a hug? Come here, look, get a hug. Look, ready? Ah, there you go, you got a hug. This one's pretty. We haven't seen this one. Are they confused, people? Okay. Are we getting out on this one? Do you want two children? Adults?
I don't care.
Okay.
Oh, look, there's even a parking spot.
Look at that. Mocha, look, here's some presents. There's some presents. But not for you, you have to wait. You got your stocking at home. Hold on, wait. No, we don't live there. We don't know those people. I don't think they want to know us either. How do you
Yes.
like our lovely time together so far this year?
It's awesome.
Is it? What makes it so awesome?
Not the lights, it's you guys.
It's us.
It's hanging out with you guys.
It makes you laugh.
Yes. And it's like life is kind of sort of normal.
Yes, within the whole mist of everything that's been
Yeah.
happening. I think it's sometimes good to have a normalcy in your life. Hi everyone! I'm not sure what stop number this is on our video tour, but Shannon has a wonderful story that she's going to tell us when we walk down this way.
So this place, last Christmas, our daughter was proposed to at the other end of this tunnel.
Nice!
And then this year I saw this place lit up on Van City News or something.
Uh-huh.
And they, the owner of this place actually messaged me because I had said that our daughter got engaged here.
On Van City News.
Yeah. And so the owner of this place was super excited and had been in contact with me to like see pictures and video and all
Oh,
that stuff.
cool.
So, yeah.
Huh.
That was the first engagement they'd heard of at their place, so it was cool.
The tunnel is very pretty.
As soon as Brian saw the tunnel, he's like, that's where the engagement needs to happen, is right there.
Oh, so Brian planned it with him?
Yeah. Well, he asked Brian's permission first.
Nice.
So,
That's yeah.
And then, yeah, we were there and we filmed it and everything.
And she had no idea.
She had no idea.
You guys were just going out looking at lights?
Yeah. It was on Christmas Eve.
That's so sweet.
And people like stood there and clapped and everything.
That's always so special.
Right? You see those jugs there?
Uh-huh.
Those ones, it's just milk jugs that they save up, like throughout the year or whatever. They fill them with water, and then they have lights around them to glow and reflect off the water. So it's like homemade light. So they have like the string of lights, and then it's just, yeah, on the top. So it's not touching the water, obviously, because you don't want to electrocute yourself. It just adds an extra like dimension. You're doing so good.
Okay. All right. Okay. Well, we've come to the end of our lovely tour. So we thank you very much for joining us. And we'd like to thank Shannon and Brian, our lovely light technician, engineer, lighting director that he has made himself. And we'd like to wish you all a very Merry Christmas
Merry Christmas.
and a Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
There we go. You're funny. You're a good boy, Mocha. You wishing everybody a Happy New Year?